Galaxy Watch 8 Classic versus the Galaxy Watch Ultra. These are made for different set of consumers. The Watch 8 Classic costs somewhere around $500 US. In India, it's about 50,000 Indian rupees, excluding the discounts. And if you look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra, it's about $650 US. And here in India, it's about 59,999, excluding the discounts. So you may be in for buying one of these smartwatches and contemplating whether to go for a Galaxy Watch 8 Classic or spend that $150 extra and get a Galaxy Watch Ultra, which offers more advantages. In this video, let me try and help you decide between these two watches. First, let's compare these two watches in terms of design. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic looks pretty elegant. It has got this rotating bezel on top, and on the right hand side we have got these three buttons, and it has got this cushion design which is similar to the Galaxy Watch Ultra's cushion design. And out of the box, you get this leather finish rubber or silicone strap on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Whereas on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, instantly notice that the screen size is slightly bigger than the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. I will come to the screen sizes in a bit. But in terms of looks, you can see even this watch is quite elegant, but it doesn't have the rotating crown for navigation. But you can swipe and rotate on the edge of the screen to navigate on the Galaxy Watch Ultra as well. So the design is more sporty, whereas the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is more of a classic looking design, and the Classic will go with both the formal and casual occasions, whereas the Galaxy Watch Ultra is more rugged looking watch, may go for formal occasions as well. It is subjective. You let me know what are your thoughts about the looks between these two watches. Next, in terms of size, both these watches come in one single size, so there are no size options here. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is 46mm and the Galaxy Watch Ultra is 47mm, which is marginally bigger than the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Then comes the important part, battery capacity. The Galaxy Watch Ultra has got 590 mAh battery. That's a big upgrade over the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's 445 mAh battery. So here the Galaxy Watch Ultra offers 100 hours in power saving mode and up to 48 hours in exercise power saving mode. This remarkable endurance means users can push boundaries without worrying about recharging for at least 2.5 to 3 days on this watch. This capability is particularly critical for individuals engaging in multi-day activities where access to charging might be limited or non-existent. Even for those of you who travel a lot, Galaxy Watch Ultra's battery life is going to come in handy. While the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to offer around 35 to 40 hours of battery life depending on the usage of always on display. That is significantly lesser than the battery performance or the battery life offered by the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The next big upgrade you're going to get with the Galaxy Watch Ultra is the display size. It offers 1.5 inches 480 by 480 resolution display size on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which suits the cushion design because the cushion design is bulky and the bigger display will complement that. Whereas on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, 1.34 inches is the size of the display, which is close to 10% smaller than the Galaxy Watch Ultra's display. So if you're someone who is looking for larger display, then Ultra is the one you should be looking at. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic offers less screen real estate, which makes the watch look bulkier because the rotating bezel and the cushion design covers a lot of space around the display itself. So screen size is a big upgrade on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. In terms of weight, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is 63.5 grams and the Galaxy Watch Ultra is 60.5 grams, so not much of a difference there. Next, the unparalleled durability and rugged design offered by the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Ultra features a robust titanium frame paired with a unique cushion design and sapphire crystal glass complemented by a ceramic back. This combination provides a durable, lightweight casing specifically ready for tough environments. The choice of titanium, known for its superior strength to weight ratio and enhanced corrosion resistance, is a critical differentiator for outdoor applications. In contrast, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic utilizes a stainless steel frame with sapphire crystal glass. While stainless steel is a premium and durable material, titanium offers a higher level of resilience, particularly important for devices exposed to harsh elements. Now, when we say titanium, the entire watch is not built of titanium, or even the watch frame is not completely built of titanium. You can see some plastic elements there. Many of you guys have complained that it has got plastic, but that is there for a reason. That is for impact resistance. The plastic casing makes the watch more durable, and the titanium on the top resists all the scratches and bumps that you're going to get when you're involved in heavy outdoor activities. Beyond the materials, the Ultra boasts superior resistance to environmental stressors as well. It features an impressive 10 atm water resistance, allowing submersion up to 100 meters inside the water for 10 minutes. This level of water resistance supports activities like recreational diving, signifying a design built for deeper and more prolonged water exposure. Furthermore, the Ultra is explicitly stated to withstand 55 degrees Celsius heat and 9,000 meters of altitude and operate from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for frozen mountain peaks to dusty deserts. Whereas the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic offers 5 atm water resistance, immersible up to 50 meters, that is the max you get. You can also take your Galaxy Watch and swim in the ocean, but your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will get spoiled if you use it in salty water inside the ocean. And if you're someone who uses the watch inside the water, then the rotating bezel may be vulnerable and it may get some dust and water, which eventually will get jammed. I have experienced this in my older watches. I don't suggest you to use the Classic series of watches in the water. In long run, it will get spoiled. Now, the Galaxy Watch Ultra offers enhanced outdoor and performance tracking. Ultra is designed with specific features to cater to serious athletes and outdoor enthusiasts, offering precision and convenience for demanding activities. Now, in terms of health-centric features, both of them offer more or less similar features. They both have bioactive sensors for health metrics such as heart rate, electrocardiogram, bioelectrical impedance analysis, blood oxygen, and we also have energy score, bedtime guidance, vascular load, and running coach. All these features are available on both these watches. So in terms of health-centric features, both are pretty much the same. Now, those are some upgrades that you will get with the Galaxy Watch Ultra, or let's say Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. Now let's talk a bit about the similarities. Both watches offer Exynos W1000 chipset, 2 GB of RAM, and in terms of storage, if you go for Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, you will get 64 GB. If you go for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2024, it is 32 GB. If you go for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, you will get 64 GB. In terms of performance and processing power, both devices are similar. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic came with One UI 8 watch out of the box, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra has already received this update, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 will also come with One UI 8 watch. Now, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic offers a premium experience with a classic aesthetic, a beloved rotating bezel, and robust smart features at a more accessible price point. But the price difference is not too much over here. If you notice, the price difference is hardly about 15 to 20%, for which you will be getting a more durable watch, which is built with titanium frame, which offers 10 atm water resistance and which can also be used in the ocean, which offers almost close to 3 days of battery life with 590 mAh battery, offers a bigger screen, 1.5 inches with higher resolution, and the watch can also be used in very extreme conditions. All these benefits you get if you spend additional 15 to 20%. And more importantly, if you go for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2024 instead of 2025, you might be able to get some good discounts, which might bring the price at par with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Considering all this, if the looks is the priority, then Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is obvious choice. But if you're looking for all other important advantages or upgrades that we get on the Galaxy Watch Ultra that we mentioned in this video, then Galaxy Watch Ultra is the one that you should be going for. Let me know what do you think. Which one are you going for? Drop a comment. I'm only sharing my opinions and thoughts. You can share yours in the comment section. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.